Okay, so today we are reviewing the remote control Ocean Wave Projector Nightlight by WeirdBeast. Let's see what's in this box here. Let's see all the little goodies we've got. We've got here a USB to micro USB. This would be the charging cable. Alright, nice white cable. Lay that there. Let's see what else we got. Instruction manual and another cable. Let's see. Seems to be an audio cable, so I'm assuming you can just audio input to the device. Let's check this out. Nice remote control, that's handy. Use the light from across the room. Looks like there's a bunch of different settings. Let's see if this comes with any batteries. No batteries included. So looks like you'll need 2 AAA batteries to use the remote. Alright, let's see. Take a little look here at the manual. Doesn't look that complicated to use. Okay. Let's see. Let's go take the main unit out of the box here. Alright. Wow, this thing is it's pretty big for the box it's in. It's pretty much the size of the box. Check this out. Let's get the wrapper off here. Now the dome is a funky plastic dome, kind of a. Now we got a little speaker there on the bottom. It looks like. Yeah, that would be the speaker for the audio out. Supposing it plays some sort of music or sound bites. Let's see the bottom here. RoHS compliant. Made in China, on-off switch. I guess that's for the main on-off. Alright, let's see now. There are some ports here on the other side. You've got the power port, then a TF card slot, and the auxiliary power in. That's where you'd plug that, or auxiliary out. Yeah, actually, that would be the audio in. My bad. Brand name stamped right on there, WeirdBeast. Alright. Kind of a cool name. Again, let's see. Let's put all this here so we could show it all in one big shot for you here. Give you an idea of everything you get. Alright. This little aerial view. Alright, let's go into our demonstration. Here we go.